Hello and thank you for allowing me, Richard Hagan, to share the story of the company Crystal Doors in Rochdale. Over the last 6 years, we've gone on an epic journey from crisis to award-winning sustainable manufacturing. Back in 2015, our biomass burner, which heats our building with wood waste in the factory, was refused planning permission because of the nearby Rochdale Canal. I had no choice but to appeal or lose 20 years of business, so I engaged with environmental experts to learn about what could be turned around. I began making simple changes to the factory that cut costs as well as emissions. Before long, it was an obsession. The penny dropped how critical and the state of our environment and climate is, and I began doing everything I could to put people and planet at the heart of my business. Our factory is now winning national awards as one of the greenest in the UK, including the prestigious Queen's Award for Sustainability Development. We're proof of what can be achieved if we put our hearts and minds to it.